Hello there, my friends. So what do you say we create a YouTube channel today? Okay, sounds good. All right, so what do? We go to account, we go to your channel, and we go to settings. That's up here. Settings. And it says here, right here, your channel, and it also says add or manage channels. Let's add a channel. All right, I just got a Hyundai, so I'm going to make a channel called My Hyundai. Channel. Create. My Hyundai channel. And now I don't have any videos, but I have a channel. How about that? So let's see. Why don't we go to customize channel, and we'll tell the YouTube what it's about. Say continue. And it says add a trailer, feature a video, blah, 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 add a section. We're going to go to branding. Here you could put like pictures, a banner image, video watermark. I don't have any of that yet. Basic information here. Here's your handle. It says you can choose unique handle by adding letters, numbers. You can't change your handle. You can change your handle back within 14 days. Handles changed. Okay, so let's see if we just call it that. And it'll tell us. And it says, yes, we can call it that. And that's good. Let's see if we can call it this. My Hyundai. It doesn't like that one. So we go My Hyundai channel. And it likes that. So we're going to call it that. And then description. So we're going to talk about it. So we're going to say, this channel is about my Hyundai. The new 2023 Hyundai Tucson limited edition trim line. This how 2 videos about driving cars, SUV, entertainment system, electronics system, features, experience, travel, repairs, warranties, vehicle ownership. This is a really boring description. All right, I'm going to go to ChatGPT and jazz this up later, but you get the idea. And then this is your channel URL. Oh my God, what is that? And then I think later you can maybe, I don't know, there was a thing a while ago where if you had so many subscribers, you could reduce this. And then links, contact info, no. Okay, so we're done here. So we hit close here, we hit publish here. So now we're going to publish the channel. And then I'm going to upload some videos. So I'm going to upload those from my phone, which I won't be able to show you on this video since I'm on my desktop. But anyway, that's how you create a YouTube channel real fast. And I hope you guys have a great day. Smash like if this helped you. And if it didn't, tell me what to do on the next video so I can help you guys. And I'll see you later. Take care.